In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can change your YouTube channel art on mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and come over to the YouTube app on my mobile, and I'm going to go ahead and go to my profile picture and then go to my channel. And then once I've done that, some people will have the option under your username to edit your channel and manage videos. So if you go ahead and click on edit channel, as you can see here, you can go ahead and change your profile picture, but there is no option to go ahead and change your channel art. So if you want to go ahead and do this, what you need to do is come back to your main page and go ahead and open up a browser of your choice, whether that's Google Chrome, Firefox, whichever you wish to use. Open up Chrome and then go to youtube.com. And then once you've done that, what you'll need to do is go to the three dots in the top right corner, or go to any menu icon on the device you're using. For me, it's the three dots, so go ahead and click on the one that is most relevant to you. Click on desktop site, and then what that will do is it will change it to look more like it would do on a laptop or a desktop PC. And then from there, what you need to do is click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Go to your channel and then click on customize channel. And then once you've clicked on customize channel, you will be brought to this page here. And what you need to do from here is click on branding on the top bar there. And then once you've clicked on branding, as you can see, there is a couple of options here. So you've got profile picture, banner image, and video watermark. So if you want to change your channel art on mobile, all you need to go ahead and do is click on change. And then it will ask for access to your photos and media. Click on allow and then choose your channel banner from your photos. And it's just as simple as that, guys. So if this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.